Florida.
Don't drop them.
Oh, we gotta create space. Space for these two bad boys.
You got the yellowtail snapper. Yep.
Yeah.
Your total is 30. Yeah, 31. I'll be right back.
Let's go. Last day in Florida, you gotta do it right. Boom. This guy, yellow snapper. This guy, hawfish. Damn. Oh, they're
Awesome, guys.
hell yeah, dude. That looks freaking pretty damn good, man. What a delicious meal this was, Mike.
Still is, man.
People people throw that away right here. Kids, if you don't behave, this thing is gonna come after you with these teeth.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it. Well, he was a prehistoric dinosaur, but he ended up like Florida fun. We didn't see it in this, but we enjoyed the view. And the birds been flying around all day. Here they are.